Thank you very much. My name is Alexander Kidi, Minister of Sport, K. Acholi, which is the cultural institution of the Acholi people. K. Acholi is one of the cultural institutions gazetted by the government of Uganda under the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development, under the stewardship of the paramount chief of the Acholi people is Royal Highness Lord David Onem Achana II. We are organizing the second edition of the Cultural Institutions Football Tournament, known as Odilo. This is an annual football competition that brings together youth, both boys and girls, from all the 57 chiefdoms in Acholi. We had the first edition in 2023, and then we are having the second edition in 2025. And the competition is slated to start on the 20th of November 2025. In the beginning, we had the competition among the districts in Acholi. However, the original idea of this football event is that youth in various chiefdoms should compete among themselves. And this year, we are decentralizing the competition to the grassroots level. That is, each chiefdom should organize their own team and compete. And since we have many teams, we are going to have preliminary round, that is at the district level, because we have 6 chiefdoms in Amoro, 7 in Noya, 4 in Amoro, 5 in Gulu. We have 9 chiefdoms in Lamour. We have 4 in Kitgum. We have 9 in Pade. And Agago district has the biggest number of chiefdoms, that is 13. Each district, assisted by District Football Association, which is the FOFA structure at the district level, they will organize the competition among the chiefdoms. And then 2 best teams will be promoted to the next round. That is the group stage. That means we shall have 16 teams in the group stage, and then the competition will now continue from there. I would like to now call upon each chiefdom to organize their own team. We don't want players who are already in Uganda Premier League, competing at international level, and then the FOFA Big League to be involved in this competition. We want our players who are still growing to be nurtured so that they are elevated to go to the next level. So this competition is meant to bring youth together and then also celebrate our ancestry and then help to nurture talent that is within Acholi so that they are promoted to the next level. I would like to call upon our partners to come on board, join hands together with K.P.A. Acholi so that we make this football event a colorful one in 2025. We are starting the competition on the 20th of November this year. Registration forms are ready with the district football associations in all the districts in Acholi. You come and pick and you register 30 players. Start your training and the competition is going to start immediately at the preliminary round. So everyone, get ready, be proud of your ancestry, because right now we want everyone to get back to their chiefdoms, to work together with your chief, support the team, be proud of where you come from, and then we bring our people together and then we celebrate the beautiful game.